How to find Facebook password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can find Facebook password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now basically, if you have Facebook and you are logged in but you're trying to find the password, remember that your Facebook application will never give you the password. It's just like you're asking to the bank what is the ATM pin. If you don't know it, you just have to reset it. That's the only thing. But if you're lucky and you have saved your password in maybe, let's say, your browser, for example, so you can just go to facebook.com here, and if you have happened to save it on your browser inside a Google account or your Apple ID or anywhere like that, there are a couple of steps that you can take. So you can go to facebook.com. Here you can say log into another account. If you happen to save a password, you can just tap the show button here next to the password box to actually view that current password, but this only works if you have happened to save them. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.